Good morning, dear. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, a cert in the market. So, in this chapter, we will discuss the story of a cert. How do a cert come into the market from the supply to the different mediator inside the market, and finally, cert come till consumer. A story covered by this chapter regarding a cert, manufacturing part, producer part, who is supplier, what are the different problems faced by the suppliers in this chapter. So at a beginning chapter is start from the a cotton farmers. So dear, as it your study there was the one chapter in class 6. Ramalingam and Sekhar, there were two farmers. One was the rich, another one cultivated the small land of area, and one take the loan from the one has took the loan from the unorganized sector money lenders, and Ramalingam was rich. He has capacity to storage the crop, and he taken the loan from government bank. Through this government bank's term and condition, interest rate are low compared to the unorganized sector. So this complete story we discuss in first paragraph. There are the different cropping season in agriculture sector. There are three seasons. Mostly two are cultivated in India. One is the Kharif season and Rabi season. Another one is the Zaid season, ZAID. Kharif season and Rabi season. So in Kharif season, crops are sown during the onset of monsoon in the month of June and July, and crop are harvested October, November, that is known as the Kharif season. And crop are sown during the November and December, and crop are harvested in the month of March, April. It is known as the Rabi season, RABI, and KHARIF, Kharif season. For example, in Kharif season, soybean, maize, groundnut are example of Kharif season. And Rabi season, which crop are sown during the November and December, harvested in the month of March, April are wheat commonly, mostly common are wheat are common in this season. Mustard also, sarson is another one example, and rice are common in both season. And third one is the ZAID, Zaid season. Zaid season, when crops are grown for a short summer season, which crop may be ripened within the 1 or 2 months, like a watermelon, muskmelon, kharbuja, tarbooj, like this. These are part of the Zaid season, Zaid season. So these are the such seasons are maybe done in this region where the water is easily available. Okay, dear. So in this paragraph, we'll discuss about the Swapna, a small farmer who cultivated the land, a small piece of land cultivated by the Swapna, and she is living in near the Kurnool market in Andhra Pradesh, and she arranged the different resources like seeds, fertilizer is required, pesticides are required, different inputs are required for to cultivate the cotton crop, and due to the financial condition, she has taken the loan from the traders. 2500 rupees loan is taken through the traders by Swapna, and she as a promise to the traders, क्या promise किया कि after harvesting of cotton, when she collect the cotton balls, in cotton crop there is the small balls like this. So cotton balls maybe when it will be brushed, so she will collect the cotton from the balls, and later on she has promised to the traders after harvesting she will sell the crop to the trader where she has taken the loan. So you know on what conditions she has taken the loan? कि after harvesting she will sell the crop to the traders only. So she has taken 2,500 rupees loan at higher interest rate. Do you know trader is which type of agency of loan? It is informal agency of loan because trader are not government registered. So in this she do the lot of hard work on field. So along with her husband when she visit the market to sell their crop, and when you know price decided by the trader, that was the 1500 rupees per quintal. Quintal means 100 kg. Do you know 1500 rupees per quintal price is decided by the traders, and total amount of her cotton was 6000 rupees, and trader has the subtract 3000 rupees, 2500 rupees loan amount and 500 rupees interest rate. So 3000 rupees deduct by the traders and give the 3000 rupees to the Swapna. So there is the conversation given between the Swapna and traders. So when a Swapna, it also given in your book, when Swapna shocked when she received the 3000 rupees, 3000 only. Do you know traders कॉटन इज सेलिंग चीप, कॉटन की प्राइस बहुत कम है मार्केट में. व्हाट एक्सक्यूज गिवन बाय द ट्रेडर्स? कॉटन इज सेलिंग चीप, दिस इज द लॉट ऑफ कॉटन इन दिस मार्केट, दिस सीजन देर इज द लॉट ऑफ कॉटन इन द मार्केट, एंड बट आई हैव toiled the hard work for this crop. This conversation given by the Swapna, and I have put lot of effort to collect the clean and good quality of cotton from my field, and but traders give the excuse कि you may be check the another one market, you may be check the Kurnool market. If you are not believing on me, if you have not trust on me, so you may be check it. But Swapna is given excuse. Don't agree. I am just asking. केवल मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे. Because Swapna can't oppose the traders. There are many such needs which depend on traders. There are many farmers who depend on traders for the loan. Many times when she unable to pay her daughter school fees, when her daughter may be suffering from the illness, so she has no such scope except the traders, where she may be take the loan from the traders. So these are their necessity. They are dependent on the traders. That's why traders, some traders, they are getting the benefit of the such small farmer deals. So when she has said in Kurnool market, cotton price was the 1800 rupees per quintal. 1800 rupees per quintal, that was the cotton price in Kurnool market. So she has received 300 rupees less per quintal. 300 rupees less per quintal, and total she has received the 3000 rupees and total amount was the 6000. So you know 4 quintal production was sell by the Swapna. So when we multiply the 18 by the 4, तो you know 1200 rupees more profit she should be earned, उसको मिलना चाहिए था. तो this is the common in our country dear. That is the story which is concerned with the Swapna, and these are the common which most of farmer in our country daily they face such situation in their daily life. Why? If such farmer may be aware about it, कि there are lot of facilities which are given by the government for harvesting, for crop, they may be take the loan from the government. There are the different variety of subsidy given by the government, for a crop to purchase the input, for a fertilizers, for a pesticide they can protect their crop through the insects, and different type of a crop insurance is given by the government also. So due to the lack of awareness, this cycle is going on in our country. So there is no such focus on that कि why this is going on, but I am discussing कि how do we ignore the such cycle. So this is the first paragraph in your book which is given for a Swapna, and there is the conversation given between the traders and Swapna, and most of small farmers are exploited by ट्रेडर्स, उनका शोषण होता है. क्यों? तो डेट्स वाई व्हेन अ गवर्नमेंट हैज डिसाइडेड देयर विल बी नो सच मीडिएटर बिटवीन द गवर्नमेंट एंड फार्मर्स. तो यू नो फार्मर्स हैज स्टार्टेड द मूवमेंट इनसाइड द पंजाब, दिल्ली, हरियाणा. तो वी unable to find the reasons why this movement is going on when government want to decide something better for the farmers. So there are many such middlemen who are not agree with the farmers. So this is the common, this was the paragraph that message want to convey to us कि yes Swapna, she was the small farmer and sell the production to the particular traders because she has promised to the traders कि after harvesting she will sell the crop because she has taken advance loan from the traders there. And this was the message through the first paragraph. Okay. Okay dear. Now our next topic is the cloth market of Erode. Erode located in Tamil Nadu, or there is the world largest market located in Tamil Nadu, and a large market where the cloth are sold. In earlier market Kundul, cotton was sold. There is the difference between the cotton and cloth here. Okay. So in this market, cloth are sold inside. So there are many viewers who have set up near the Erode market. There are many villagers who come during the specific day of this market, which is bi-weekly, and sell their cloth inside the market. And there are many businessmen, viewers come in that market who are living in different part of country, visit the southern India, and during that time, you know, businessmen purchase the cloth from viewers, and this cloth or yarn hand over to the viewers. This yarn hand over to the viewers, and advance order to given by the businessman. Such variety of shirt you will manufacture, and you know duration of period given to them, you will end on the delivery within the 15 or 20 days, whatever duration decided by both. And if they are unable to hand over the delivery in given specific time period, so their cost will be deducted, their amount will be deducted from that. So this is the way in a Erode, a world market is located, cloth market. It is famous where the multi-story building office are located in that area. Many businessmen are set up in that, where the export and import held every day. You know, viewers supply, sell their cloth inside the market when they purchase the cotton from the market and change into the clothes supply in this market, and cloth purchased by the businessman and later on hand over to the particular garment export factories owners purchase the cloth and hand over to the viewers to make a specific variety of clothes. So this is the market in Erode where the such type of market is going on. Okay, up in next lecture we will discuss about the what is putting out system, how do they produce the clothes, and what is the putting out system. So today we have covered up two topics of this chapter. First one was the Swapna and traders. Another one is the cloth market, Erode in Tamil Nadu. So these two topics we have completed here. Tomorrow onwards we will continue with new topic, that is the putting out system.